Welcome. If your X, or what we all still know as Twitter, timeline feels cluttered with phrases and topics you don't care about, this quick guide will show you exactly how to mute phrases from people you don't follow using the latest desktop update. It's fast, simple, and it'll help you take control of the conversations you see. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand menu and click on the More icon. It's the one with 3 little dots or ellipses. This opens a list of options. From there, choose Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings, go to Privacy and Safety. This is where all your filters and content controls are managed. Next, find and click on Mute and Block. This section lets you quiet down specific words, phrases, or accounts that you don't want filling up your feed. Now click on Muted Words. This will open a list of anything you've muted before, but if you're just starting, it'll be blank. In the top right corner, click the plus icon to add a new phrase. Type in the word or phrase you want to mute something that keeps popping up, but you don't want to see anymore. Below, you'll notice a few fields where you can customize your filter. You'll see options like Mute From and Duration. For Mute From, select from people you don't follow. This keeps your friends' or followed accounts' posts visible if you still want to see them using that phrase, while filtering out everyone else. You can also decide how long to mute it forever, for a week, or just 24 hours. Finally, click Save to confirm your settings. And that's it. You've successfully muted a specific phrase from unfollowed accounts on X. From now on, your feed will be a cleaner and more peaceful place, showing only what actually matters to you. If this helped, don't forget to check out more quick tech tutorials designed to make your online experience smoother.